This is just the push car. This ain't even the race car, it's just a push car. Push the car, the race car on the track and off the track. That's all this car's for. Like butter. And then we went in like it was nothing.
So you don't want them tightened up?
Yeah, let's do the body. Let's do the body stuff first, and then we'll tighten these last. Well, we're putting the frame back up underneath now to do all the rest of the body work on this thing. Kind of short it so it doesn't move around. But this is the last time the frame's going in, and then going to be pulled back out, and we're going to have a rolling chassis before it goes back under the body again. But we got all the bushings in where they're going to go and all that. And, up underneath. Up underneath, we unfortunately had to cut the trunk out to get everything to fit up underneath. I tried to package it up to fit up underneath there without having to cut anything, but we had to do that. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut the trunk pan out all the way up to the back. I'm going to put like a 30-gallon tank in this thing, so I'll fill it up once to go a long ways. But other than that, it fit all up underneath there pretty good. All the bracing's done. And now we're just basically getting it bolted on to do the rest of the roll bar stuff and the rest of the sheet metal work, maybe a little tranny tunnel work depending on whether the gear vendor fits in. I got to take this abortion out and redo that, and then this thing will start going together.